Hi, today we're going to talk about how you can become better at math. So here I have 6 ways that you can improve yourself, and the first way is to slow down. Personally, when I am doing math and I'm missing a lot of problems, it's normally because I'm going way too fast and making those really stupid arithmetic errors. So make sure that you slow down and not make those same stupid mistakes that I do when I'm going too fast. Second, you can double check your work. This is especially handy during tests where accuracy is key. So when you double check your work, you want to go to the problems. If you have time, you want to go to the problems that are particularly complex or difficult, and you want to do them all over again. And you want to write it all out, the steps all out, all over again, and see if you get the exact same answer as you did the first time that you completed it. And this is a great way to make sure that you've gotten the right answer, because it's very unlikely that you would make the same stupid arithmetic errors twice in a row, like forgetting those tiny little negatives or misreading your own handwriting, something stupid like that. So once again, double checking your work is very important. Going off of that, you can also make sure that you've done the problem correctly by solving it 2 different ways. And when you do this and get the same answer each time, it's very unlikely that that answer is incorrect, because it's very unlikely that you've gotten the same wrong answer using multiple methods. So for example, if I had a problem about a line, I would write that line out in both slope intercept and point slope form and see if I got the same answer both times. The fourth step is to understand. This is probably the most important thing that I can tell you, that if you truly understand the what and how of every step of every math problem that you do, you'll gain a much greater appreciation for mathematics, and you'll be able to conquer some of those more trickier problems, especially the less intuitive ones that your teacher might throw at you during math quizzes or tests. Additionally, the more that you understand mathematics on a deeper level, the more simpler it will seem, which is very satisfying and very pretty at times. So with that, you need to practice. Just like any other sport or musical instrument, you need to be able to practice every day in order to gain your skills and develop your talents. I promise that if you get into the habit of doing your math homework and practicing maybe those skills that you're not so sure about, you will see a great improvement in your mathematical skills wherever you're at. And so with that, it might be hard to practice, but you got to make sure that while you're doing all of these 6 steps, you got to be able to have fun. So when you're practicing, you want to make sure that you're comfortable with maybe a nice drink or a snack, and that you're playing nice music and just making it a very enjoyable experience for you, and that will make math homework much more enjoyable and doable thing for you in your daily life. And so it doesn't have to be hard, it doesn't have to be complex, but this is how you get better at math. And I promise you that if you do these 6 things and really make an effort to improve yourself at math, you'll have fun, you'll gain a greater understanding of the world, and most importantly, you'll have fun, because math, at its heart, is just another puzzle, just like Sudoku or anything else, only with different rules and astounding applications.